Guys, I'm back with another Pi network now. Major news: we are all aware of the developments in the cryptocurrency sector. The top players in the crypto industry are engaged in a heated argument. Conflict between the CEOs of the FTX exchange platform and Binance, Changpeng Zhao. The FTT cryptocurrency, which is controlled by the FTX exchange, has been overthrown by this war. In the same way that the Binance platform owns BNB, so it is. Within a few days, the token price dropped from roughly $23 to about $2, and they had already filed for bankruptcy. Due to the catastrophe, many investors had lost their whole life savings. At the time, the price of Bitcoin had also fallen below $15,000. So why precisely do you people think I'm telling you this? I'm telling you this because it won't be a problem for us pioneers. When compared to other cryptocurrencies, our project is completely different from those that can suddenly lose value. Since we didn't initially make any investments, we had nothing to lose. Because individuals complaining have no concept what PIA actually entails, I usually laugh when I hear people complain that the Pi network hasn't yet been included. So, guys, let's quit whining and continue mining. Our moment is undoubtedly now. As a result, the focus of today's video will be a quick discussion on the Pi network's future. In case you didn't know, we worked very hard to make this video available to you. If you haven't already, all we ask is for you to like and subscribe to our channel, in order for you to view more of this material. Just a brief reminder, we will never ask for your phone number or other private information, and we will never ask you to contact us using WhatsApp. The email address is in the description of this video and is the sole way to get in touch with us for questions or business proposals. Therefore, heed the warnings about spam and con artists in the comments area. Let's get started now. As a result, the Pi network project has numerous stages. There are various phases. Phase 1 is now complete. It makes sense because the network's identification is dependent on the number. When there were 5 million active users overall, Phase 1 came to a conclusion. A year later, Phase 2 got started. In order to raise money for the project, app advertising were introduced in May 2020. The Pi network is more than just a tool for cryptocurrency mining. It is a network of interconnected services, which includes a Pi ballot prototype that completes transactions in under 8 seconds. The Pi browser software is also available, allowing programmers to test and set up decentralized third-party Pi programs. Although the bulk of the crypto community is skeptical of the Pi network and claims that it is a pyramid scam, we have also prepared a video in which we discuss the opinion of experts on the Pi network, so be sure to watch that one after watching this one. The description will contain the URL. Despite the misunderstandings, the Pi network has some noteworthy qualities that demonstrate that it is at least somewhat reliable. For example, the Pi software is environmentally friendly and doesn't drain your phone's battery. Unlike previous mining systems, it is aided in its efforts to protect its ledger by users keeping an eye out for one another. How does it function? Its main goal is to make Bitcoin mining more approachable, according to digital cash project Pi Network. The Pi network allows for mobile app-based cryptocurrency mining. One user is only allowed to have one Pi account, and the Pi core team earns 25% of all Pi coins, unlike Bitcoin mining, which has become too expensive for the typical person to afford. Pi can currently only be utilized by those who have previously joined the Pi ecosystem for trading, buying, and selling. We are grateful for the project's recent creation of a closed primary net. One must complete the KYC verification process before they can start trading. If you believe in the project's future and are encouraged by the Pi network pricing prediction, you might be able to get your Pi node right immediately. There were more than 120 Pi nodes recently. This usually happens in the first few weeks. The market cap of such eagerly awaited projects rises as a result of the increased demand as people rush to buy the newest potential big thing when such projects are listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, which also influences their price source. So it could be reasonable to anticipate that the price of the Pi network will rise. However, the price frequently drops within a short period of time. Price forecast to 2023: the Picoin's price may increase to $20 in 2022 and to $50 in 2025, according to CoinSwitch. According to the Reddit community, The Pi currency should have long-term benefits. The Pi network pricing could reach the intended level of $100 by January 2023. The Pi community. Brown, in crypto's opinion, has a promising future. The Pi coin's cost may reach $2,000 by 2024. The price of the Pi network is forecasted using the rising trend of Bitcoin data flow. The Pi coin will cost $3,500 in 2025 and $6,000 in 2026, according to this forecast. Pi holders are still unable to trade as of November 14, 2026, as well as November 14, 2022. Price forecast in a year: investing in the Pi coin will be a terrible high-risk decision. Based on the price rises of the most significant social and technological advancements like Facebook, cell phones, data, etc., Vale investor claims. The following projected network pricing pie charts are provided by the platform. A reliable investor expects the price of the Pi coin will be $389 in 2020, $3,849 in 2024, $354 in 2024, and $354 in 2025. When people start selling their coins to generate quick money, it frequently gets worse a few days after the initial morning. Will the Pi network have the same result? Only time will tell, but beginning of March 23, 2022, investors won't be able to swap Pi currencies. The Pi network's survival depends on how realistic investors perceive it to be. After the formal debut, the Pi currency's value would likely increase, then a few days later, it would start to rapidly decline. The value of the currency might reach between $100 and $200 per Pi by the end of 2023. The Pi coin's price may rise to $500 as soon as it starts trading on cryptocurrency exchanges, according to the Pi network pricing predictions described earlier. However, as the money cannot yet be traded, it is difficult to anticipate the future with any degree of accuracy. As usual, research the market before making a choice. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. What do you consider the Pi network to be? Come back for more of these educational videos and share your ideas in the comments area. For the time being, we'll end here. Please click the like and subscribe buttons below if you liked this video. Additionally, please check out the email in the video's description if you have any